What's up, guys? It's John from Side Hustle Experiment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the handling time and your eBay items. This is great if you're going on vacation. I don't like to put my store in vacation mode. I just feel like it kills sales. Changing the handling time to a longer period of time. Basically, when someone comes on your listing, it will say, "Hey, if you buy this, it won't ship for 5 or 10 days or whatever you set it to be." And I have gone on vacation for 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Never had a problem with this. Have gotten sales while I am on vacation, which is great. And just come home and have to ship out a ton of stuff, which isn't so great, but it really is because you made sales. So I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. It literally would take like 2 or 3 minutes. And it is a great way to keep sales going while you are relaxing and enjoying your vacation. So this is the home screen of eBay. You're simply just going to you're going to click sell and let this load. You're going to go down to, you're going to hit edit. So for those of you who don't know, this is basically like all my active listings. I have about 552 that are actually live. They're counting 959. These are items that have sold, I think, within the last 60 or 90 days. Eventually they drop off as, I don't know, the time passes or people don't return it or whatever, but they will drop off. This is the total value that I have listed currently. That's the price that I have for each item. It is a big number, but this is also, I take a lot of offers on stuff. So most of the items I'm taking, I don't know, you can knock like 10 to 20% off of that number, just being totally real and transparent here. But anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit edit. You're going to hit edit all listings. I've heard this screen can be different for everyone. You have listings that you were already working with. I'm just going to hit OK. That's fine. So basically, it will pop up like that. I'm going to put myself here. You're going to hit edit all fields. You're going to go down to handling time. Please select at least one listing. Oh, you have to hit all these. My bad. You're going to hit handling time. It's kind of why I like to do these live. So like when little like stupid stuff like that pops up, you know how to handle it. You're going to do change to, select handling time. I'm going to select 10 business days because I am going away for about 7. I always like to play it safe. And the thing about this is, as my vacation dwindles down, probably when I'm about 2 days out from coming back, I will do this again and change the handling time to 2 or 3 days. This way, people are like, "Oh, okay, 2 to 3 days isn't that bad a wait." But you'll still get sales with this. So we'll see what happens. Then you're going to hit save and close. And it's going to update all these listings. Some things will pop up that like have errors in the listing, or some errors are missing something or whatever. I just really ignore that. And then you're going to hit submit changes. Yep, see, 2-year listings have errors. I can look at that later. And you hit confirm and submit. It'll take a few minutes. I guess there's a lot of listings for them to kind of go through. So here we go. Oh, there we go. I was getting a little nervous there for a second. All right, 2 listings does not update. That's fine. You could hit fix errors, but I'm not going to worry about that. You could also do this for the listings you have scheduled. I have a bunch that I have to schedule today, so I will do that later. And then you just hit OK. and then it will take you back to your home page. A lot of times I just like to open one real quick. Let's see. So yeah, it's March 29th. The estimated delivery is April 13th. So this did work. And that's how you do it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it with a friend. And I will see you guys in the next video.